The Tomorrow's Teachers class is a full year experiential learning course, and it is a way for students to be introduced into the field of education, into what teaching is like every day.
So the Foundations of Ed class is an elective. It's a full year elective, and we primarily focus on the basics of education, and it's for typically 3 to 4 year olds, preschool aged children.
What is your name and occupation here at Randolph High School?
My name is Caroline Murphy and I'm the preschool teacher.
My name is Megan Murphy and I teach multiple classes. I teach Foundations of Ed, I teach Senior English, and I teach Study Skills classes.
My name is Ashley Kenya. I am a social studies teacher, and I also teach Tomorrow's Teachers.
It's super fun. We work on lessons and really cute, colorful calendars. We create bulletin boards in the hallways and for the preschool kids. So we typically start with like a little mini lesson, things, a focus for the day, and then it's always partner or group work. We work on anything that's going to be done down in the preschool. So like I said, calendars. Currently we're working on a book and a craft, and the students have to come up with a lesson plan that goes along with the theme of the week. And we work very, very closely with Miss Murphy. So if they're not working on a craft, they're going down and observing and playing with the 4-year-olds. The younger kids are absolutely obsessed with the big kids. They see them in the hall and they absolutely freak out. They think they're the best thing ever. They're like rock stars to a 4-year-old.
We at the preschool level are just instilling a love of learning and, making friends, and that's all part of our job, is to let them be comfortable in school and set that foundation for them to continue through their school career.
The big kids love the littles. They bond with them. They're super excited to see them. We make them cards, so we keep the relationship going throughout the whole entire school year.
Hi, my name's Josie, and I go to the Randolph preschool. I'm a little lamb.
Themselves should have the rights, and then they are what the government is.
To a strong monarchy who's going to kind of oversee that.
He believed that people change for the better. Yesterday we talked about the idea that people are inherently good or bad. What do you think he would think?
They actually go out into the elementary schools, the middle school, and the high school to work with teachers in the district and teach classes, which is great.
The fact that you're actually going for an internship, you're going over to, a lot of students work at Center Grove because of the proximity. Some even work within the high school, depending on what your specialty, your interest is.
This class in particular, Tomorrow's Teachers, gives you true hands-on experience. I always say to the parents on the first day of, when we do back to school night, I'm like, I will save you $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 a year, right? If you think you want to be a teacher, try it. This is the best darn job every single day. I get so excited that you can come in here, no day looks the same. It's chaotic, it's crazy, but at the end of the day, it's the kids that matter and the ones that just are going to stay with you for a long time. Step in the shoes of a teacher for a day, and I think that will ultimately change your mind or make your mind up that this is the job for you. I've had students in this class who have said to me as soon as they came back from their experiential learning, this is what they were meant to do for the rest of their life.
So I've been teaching for a very long time, and through my career, relationships have changed. But what I think is the most important is building that relationship right from the get-go where students can feel comfortable and find themselves and be themselves and learn and grow. So for me, it's the bonding with the students, and then the education comes next.
It's really easy to get involved. We have a Future Educators Association club that they can join right away. And that gives you a ability to connect with people who are already in these classes. You can enroll as a freshman in the Foundations of Education program, which is great. And then the next step would be your junior or senior year. You can take Tomorrow's Teachers.
Just talk with your counselors about getting scheduled to join our classes. We'd love for more 8th grade students that are incoming freshmen to learn about the program and to maybe start with the pathway. That word would probably be experience.
Engaging.
I would say that it is priceless. It's a priceless experience. I think it is very rare that children get to go in and actually do what they want to do and try it out before they decide officially. And I think that this provides those opportunities for you to look and see if this is the profession for you.